Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Daxon here with noxad.org, my website. Check it out after you're done watching this video. Link will be in the description. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The point of this video is I am making a website right now. It's one I'm making for not only for myself but also for a friend. Where he lives, immigration agencies is a big problem, so I'm helping him put together this website where people can leave reviews. But anyway, that's not really what this video is about. What this video is about is how you can remove the text in the footer of your WordPress website. So let me go ahead and get this pulled up here. And I am using, it's one of my favorite themes. It's the 2013 theme here in WordPress. Now I'm going to try to make this video as simple as possible because this is actually a pretty simple thing to do. I usually don't recommend you mess with any code unless you know what you're doing. But as long as you do exactly what I do, you should be in good shape. You should actually be doing this like to a child theme. If you don't know how to set that up, you should set that up. But of course, do this at your own risk. I don't want to be responsible for messing up your website. But this is the correct way to simply remove the text from the footer. Excuse me, I'm tired, it's about my bedtime. Remove the text from the footer of specifically this theme, and it also works on many other themes. It's basically the same idea. But basically, once you're in the back end of your website, you can go over to the Appearance tab you'll see on the left side and find your editor. And once you have the editor selected, you'll see it pulls up like all the components of your website that basically make up your website together. And over on the right side, you'll see all the templates, basically as they call them, and then you'll have your styles, like your style sheets. But what we're going to be looking for in this case is the footer.php, and if you're using a different theme, it might be a little bit different name, but it is the theme footer. And when I say the footer, like I said, we are talking about this. There's no content, but normally this is at the bottom of your page, so when I do add content to this website, this will always be at the bottom of the website. This is your footer. And WordPress is awesome, you know. Big kudos to the people that are managing and, you know, build WordPress and, you know, keep it going and everything. But it is pretty tacky to leave this at the bottom of your website. And yes, it is proudly powered by WordPress, but I want to remove this. So that's what we're going to be doing. So basically, once you have found that page, the theme footer, footer.php in this case, and there's just a little bit of text here. This is the code that makes up the footer. Now what we're going to be looking for, where it does say proudly powered by WordPress, and we can see the text is right here, proudly powered by WordPress. You can do a find. I'm in Chrome. You can go up here and you can find if you need to search for whatever the text is in the footer. But in this case, with this theme, start right here. You see the little left arrow and the A with the href. Okay. Well, basically what I do is select this. Oops. Go all the way down to where this specific line of code closes out. See, it starts, then you have the the forward slash, and it closes out. All I do is highlight that and backspace. Now if you want to change it, of course you can add whatever you want right here. This is where your text would be in this specific spot. So if I want to put, you know, copyrighted, you know, 2017 immigration reviews, immigration agency reviews, you know, in this case, whatever, it doesn't matter. But in this case, right now, I just want it to disappear. So all I need to do is highlight that, and I can backspace it. And what I'll do usually, just because it's something, you know, personal preference, I'll leave a space here. So I know if I ever need to add that back, you know, this is exactly where it goes. And then you can update file, and the page will kind of reload. There, it reloaded. Now we should be able to go back to the site and hopefully that'll be gone. And there it is. There's no text in the footer now. So now I can change. I'll probably in this case change the footer to match the primary navigation menu. I'll make those blues match, and the basics of this website will be done. But that's how you do that. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and if you have any questions or suggestions, I'll do my best to help you out. I am not a professional coder. I do know a little bit of code here and there, especially with HTML, some PHP, CSS, things like that, but not a whole lot. But this is pretty simple, like I said. Hopefully this helps you out, solve your problem. And like I said at the beginning of this video, don't forget to check out my website where everything is free and I'm always just telling the truth. www.noxad.org. Links in the description of this video if you're here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.